Everybody, my name is Rahul, and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called I Hate Hackers for 100 points. It has about 51 solves as of now, and I found this challenge particularly really interesting because it is based on a zero-day vulnerability, recent zero-day vulnerability. So you'll know that in a moment, and you'll also know why this has less solves. And I hate hackers. I had to delete my awesome custom made blog just because some script header decided it was fun to exploit a known vulnerability in one of the plugins. Now I'm stuck with plain HTML files. Go ahead and try to hack me now. You will never find my flag.txt file. Now the flag.txt file is in the bold format because it is the specific name of the file. Now we were provided with this IP address. I'm sorry, let me just turn off my proxy. You'll see that this is nothing but a simple HTML page. Now what if I were to type in index.php? You'll see that nothing found. But if I were to type in HTML, indeed he says it that I'm just going to use HTML for my blog. Now what do I do here? Now one of the ways I thought I could exploit it is by path traversal. Now let me just turn on my intercept. Okay, so let me take it to repeater, turn off, and I thought why not just do this. Maybe the application is not correctly configured and I'll just use flag.txt. But you see that it says bad request and your browser sent a request that the server could not understand. Now at this point of time I thought let me try to brute force it, but again it would take a long time and I was not sure whether this challenge allowed brute forcing, because many CTF challenges they don't, you just have to use a brain and you don't have to brute force anything. It is then I realized that the server was 2.4.49 and I knew the solution then and there, and I'll tell you why. Because if you see here, it is vulnerable to CVE 2021 and 41773. Had it been 2.4.50, I would have exploited it the same way. But, and again, not in the same way, but in a much better way, I would say, because then you'll know why. I'll just give you the resources down there. Now what happens is, if you were to just go for CGI, even if the CGI bin is not active on this, even if I were to just do this, you'll see that page was not requested, URL was not found on the server. But what if I were to do this? It doesn't matter if CGI bin is active or not, because the way to exploit it is the same. You'll see that again it says that the request to the server could not understand. But the problem here is that this is what the server does is that it does not properly neutralize a sequence such as this and can resolve to a location outside the directory. But in order to exploit it, what you have to do is you have to replace a second. I do not know if you have to replace both of them, but here the payload says that you have to replace one of them with this. And let's just do this. Got over single dot flag.text, and you'll see that we get the flag right away. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.